Cultivating New Zealand Tea Tree, a comprehensive guide to growing Leptospermum. New Zealand tea tree, scientifically known as Leptospermum, is a versatile and visually appealing evergreen shrub or small tree. Known for its profusion of small, five-petaled flowers and aromatic foliage, it's a popular choice for gardens, hedges, or as a container plant. If you're interested in cultivating this beautiful plant, here's a detailed guide on how to grow New Zealand tea tree successfully. Understanding New Zealand tea tree. Varieties. There are several species and cultivars of Leptospermum, each with its unique characteristics. Common varieties include Leptospermum scoparium, Leptospermum pattersonii, and Leptospermum rupestre. Appearance. New Zealand tea tree typically has small, narrow leaves that are often aromatic when crushed. The flowers, which appear in spring and summer, can be white, pink, red, or purple, depending on the variety. Growing conditions. Leptospermum thrives in full sun but can tolerate partial shade. It prefers well-draining soil and is well-suited to coastal gardens, given its tolerance to salt spray. Growing New Zealand tea tree. Planting. Choose a location with well-draining soil. Plant your New Zealand tea tree in the spring or fall, ensuring the site receives ample sunlight. Space multiple plants according to the specific variety, usually around 3 to 6 feet apart. Soil. New Zealand tea tree prefers slightly acidic to neutral soil. Amend heavy soils with organic matter to improve drainage. Mulching around the base helps retain moisture and suppress weeds. Watering. Water young plants regularly until they establish a robust root system. Once established, New Zealand tea tree is moderately drought tolerant. However, it benefits from occasional deep watering during dry periods. Pruning. Prune your New Zealand tea tree to shape it and encourage bushier growth. You can also prune to maintain its size and remove dead or diseased branches. Light pruning after flowering is generally sufficient. Caring for New Zealand tea tree. Fertilization. New Zealand tea tree typically doesn't require heavy fertilization. Apply a balanced, slow-release fertilizer in the spring to support healthy growth. Pests and diseases. Leptospermum is relatively resistant to pests and diseases. However, keep an eye out for scale insects or aphids. Treat with insecticidal soap if necessary. Well-drained soil helps prevent root rot. Common issues. Environmental stress. While generally hardy, New Zealand tea tree may show signs of stress, such as leaf drop, if exposed to prolonged periods of extreme heat or drought. Adequate watering and mulching can help mitigate these issues. Overwatering. Ensure the soil has good drainage to prevent overwatering, which can lead to root rot. Adjust watering practices based on the specific needs of your plant and the local climate. Enjoying New Zealand tea tree. Flowering season. New Zealand tea tree produces a profusion of flowers in spring and summer, creating a stunning display of color. The flowers also attract bees and other pollinators. Aromatic foliage. Many varieties of Leptospermum have aromatic foliage, releasing a pleasant fragrance when touched. Consider planting it near walkways or seating areas to enjoy the scent. Container gardening. Some smaller varieties of New Zealand tea tree are well suited to container gardening. Use a well-draining potting mix and provide regular care to keep the plant healthy. Growing New Zealand tea tree can be a rewarding experience, adding beauty and fragrance to your garden or landscape. With its adaptability to various soil conditions and relative ease of care, this evergreen shrub is an excellent choice for both novice and experienced gardeners. By providing the right growing conditions, including proper sunlight, well-draining soil, and occasional pruning, you can enjoy the delightful blooms and aromatic foliage of New Zealand tea tree for years to come. Consider incorporating this versatile plant into your outdoor space for a touch of natural beauty and charm.